Ed Ballard bought the West Baden Springs Hotel from the Sinclair family after World War I. He had the place humming through the 20s. He would later sell the hotel to the Jesuits for $1 after the stock market crash drained the business. Ed Ballard is also a heck of a baker, whipping up fresh pastries daily for the Mercantile inside the French Lick Springs Hotel. The two Ed Ballards are distant cousins, except this one is still going strong.
How old are you, Ed?
I'm 81 years old. The 17th of August this year, everything goes right, I'll be 82.
Andy intends to keep on baking. Ed started working here as a teenager in the kitchen in the early 1950s. Here he is in one of our iconic photos. Then he went off to the military and after that traveled and worked construction. But he came back home to the resort in 1982, becoming a baker. He's been creating in the pastry kitchen ever since. Ed has seen a lot of changes over the decades, co-workers, managers, owners, but Bill Cook still holds a special place.
When Mr. Cook bought it, I believe that was the best change, the best and the biggest change that I saw here. You couldn't beat him. He was a great guy. He really was.
And Bill Cook would be tickled to know that Ed is still a part of the resort bakery team.
I guess it's like any family, you might say. You have your up and downs, have your good days, your bad days, and you never get too old to learn something new.
The twinkle in his eye and the lightness in his laugh have never faded. But Ed's body is slowing down on him a bit, and he knows it.
I know that sometime in the future I'm going to have to lay it aside. Okay, hey, my time, I'm going to have to get out of here.
But not ready to do that yet, huh?
I'm not ready to do it yet, and tell you the real truth about it, I kind of hate to see that day come. I mean, I've worked here and I've met a lot of nice people, and it's just all come together like a family, you know.
We know, Ed. We know. And this family hopes you'll be around for a long time to come.